So hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I will show you how to install a custom recovery and root the device with Magisk 26.1 on your Redmi Note 9 Pro, Pro Max, Redmi Note 9s and POCO M2 Pro. So today I have Redmi Note 9 Pro and I will show you how to root this with Magisk 26. So before proceeding, make sure you have unlocked the bootloader of this device. So in additional settings I have turned on the developer options, but if you have not, just go to about phone and tap on the MIUI version for 6 to 7 times until you see you are now a developer. Then go to additional settings, go to developer options, and here you can see my bootloader is unlocked. So if you did not unlock your bootloader, then watch my video where I have unlocked the bootloader of this device, and then you can proceed flashing a custom recovery on your device. So in the developer options, here is USB debugging, so make sure to turn this on. So after this, the next steps is into the PC. So let's get to the PC. And yes, if you don't have a PC, you can just use another phone and use the Bugjagier app. In the Bugjagier app, you can go to this option and just click on here and do all the steps that I am doing into my PC, and just click on understand. And when I am dragging the files in my PC, you can just do that by attaching files from here like this. From here you can attach the recovery file. So let's see the PC method. Now in the PC, just plug the USB, or now set this to file transfer. Now open platform tools and make sure that the ADB and fastboot drivers are installed on your PC. Now in the folder, click on the address bar, type cmd, and here type ADB devices, hit enter, and you will see an window like this. Click on OK. Now check again. So you can see the device is successfully attached. Now enter this command and hit enter. Now the device will enter fast boot mode. So you can see it is now on fast boot mode. Now what you have to do, in the fast boot mode, enter fast boot flash recovery. So in this case I am using the TWRP 3.6.2, but this is not the latest. You can use the latest recovery which is compatible with Android 12, because currently I have installed the MIUI 13 which is on Android 12. So let's proceed with TWRP 3.6.2. So after entering fastboot flash recovery, hit space and drag the file. If you are using another smartphone, I have showed you how to attach the file. After attaching the file, hit enter and it will send the file to the device. Now after that, enter fastboot reboot recovery and hit enter. Now it should boot into the TWRP 3.6.2. So you can see it has rebooted to TWRP 3.6.2. Now I will show you how to root your Redmi Note 9 Pro or any Mi 8 device. So in the custom recovery, go to install, and here you can see the internal storage is encrypted. So you have to use a secondary storage. So just unplug the USB. So as you can see here, I have copied the Magisk file into the pen drive. Now I will insert the pen drive to this device. So after inserting, click on select storage, click on OTG, and you can see all the files are showing. So just click on Magisk 26.1 APK and swipe to flash. Now this will flash the root in your device. So after flashing the application, it will look like this. Now just click on reboot system and you can unplug the USB, I mean flash drive. So when the device is turned on, you will see an unknown application which will come after few seconds. So if you don't see the app, just go to my files and just manually install the application. So after manually installing the Magisk app, just open it up and it will say requires additional setup. Click on OK and select the direct install and click let's go. Now click on reboot and the device will reboot automatically. Now after rebooting, let me show you that the device is rooted with the root checker app. So you can see the device is successfully rooted. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to do subscribe to this channel. Make sure to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss the updates of this device. And yes, I will review the custom ROMs too on this device. So I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.